Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, I'll be giving you an update of Nsuku Mabunda. She's a South African reality TV star. She's mostly known for her starring on Big Brother Mzansi Season 5, where she went to a second runner-up. Not only that, she was also the last female contestant standing in this season, which ended on 23 March of this current year. Nsuku has recently revealed on social media her audition for this year's Miss South Africa pageant. She wrote on her Instagram, "South Africa, I stand for every girl who's been judged for her skin, her voice, her courage. For every woman who's been told to shrink, to stay silent, to hide. I stand against gender-based violence and for the beauty in our boldness." A lot of her fans and friends were so excited to see her audition and pour out their love to her. Luandle commented, "Nsuku, you are about to fly very high. Go get them." Kabelo Tops also commented, "You're an amazing representation of South African beauty and culture. I'm so proud of you. Your confidence, charisma, and passion shine through, and I just know you're going to make a fantastic impression. Believe in yourself and your ability. You've got this. I'm rooting you for all the way, and I know you're going to do a great things. Go Nsuku, I'm rooting you all the way from Mukopani."
My name is Nsuku Mabunda. I'm bold, bald, dark-skinned, and unapologetically me. I stand against gender-based violence because I know what it means to be judged, overlooked, and silenced. As a dark-skinned woman, I reclaim my power in a world that often tries to dim it. My skin color is not a burden. My baldness is not a weakness. It's a crown. I am proof that beauty comes in different shapes and forms. We live in a world that often tries to shrink women who are different, women who are loud, and women who dare to take up spaces. I will not shrink. I'll stand, speak, and shine for every girl and every woman who's ever felt like they're not enough, because we are enough and we are done hiding.
Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.